Hey, what's going on, everybody? Well, if you are a Skoolie owner and you're clumsy around glass, or you don't listen to your better half when she tells you to be careful around the windows, then this video is for you. So there were a couple of times during the past 2 years where I was less than agile around our Skoolie glass. Let's take you back to a couple of those times. Oh my! And then there was this other time when I tried to put two of the windows together with a piece of the wire channel that we pulled out from the demo, and then this happened. Oh, you see what your goofy boy did here? Cracked the window. And after that happens, you know, you feel pretty hopeless if you don't know what to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the glass panel out in your school bus. So here we go. We're going to get right into it. Roll the footage. All right, guys. Well, you remember last week, we broke a window on the bus. So I'm going to attempt to change it out here, and I don't know. I'm just now learning how to do this, so maybe you don't know how to do it, and we can learn together. So I got this glass from Nationwide Glass, and cost 30 bucks. But what I had to do is I had to order this because this one's actually tempered, and that's what comes originally in the buses. It's like safety glass. So there we go. Now, inside that frame, there's this little piece of rubber right here. And this glass fits in this rubber, and then this rubber fits in the frame. So let's get this rubber piece on, see how well it fits. I may have to resort to heating this thing up. Make sure that you take extra caution when doing this, because this is glass and it is very sharp on the edges. And also, I'm a little bit worried that this glass may snap because I'm putting a lot of pressure on it. In hindsight, I would have definitely worn some long sleeves and threw on a pair of gloves for this. There's no way that I should have been fooling with this glass like I was without wearing some protective gear, just in case it broke. There, it looks like we got it pretty good there. Okay, so here's our rubber frame. And like I said, it just pops on there. Make sure to get it. Okay. I'll go ahead and just hit it with some glass cleaner with a microfiber real quick. So I had this cut to 9 3/4 by 25. And this glass is 1/8 inch thick. Like I said, it's safety glass, so this is what comes with the bus. Yeah, we're gonna go out there now and remove the frame and see what we're gonna have to do to take that apart. Now I've taken these windows out before, but I'm gonna go ahead and just record this and show again how I do it. I'm just gonna take a razor knife real quick and I'm gonna cut this little bead of caulk that I put on there. There's generally 2 little metal clips that hold these in, but I didn't put them back in. But after I've got that caulk cut, I'm just going to gently pull on one corner until I can get that window wiggled out of there. Some more caulk too. So here's the window. That piece of glass goes on the inside. Now, just to make it easier on myself, I'm going to go ahead and just remove any caulk that's on this bottom part. Real lightly scrape it. So I'm just trying to take this off just so it's off and nice and neat and level when I go put the window back in and recaulk it, that it'll cooperate with me. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come at it from this side, and I need to find out if there's some little screws in here. I see some right there. There should be 2 here as well. Yep, if you can see right there, there they are. There's 2 little screws at the bottom. Okay, and it is a star bit right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's right up in there. It looks like there's only one of them. Oh yeah. Got her. Now. So I just slid it in. I just undid this side right here and then slid it right into its little channel up here. And now I'm gonna tighten it back up. All right. Let's go put it back in. Since I already have a whole mess of butyl tape on here, I'm just going to use it. Now, I'm just going to put the original clips back in. So hold it. Alrighty. Well, you can tell the color's a little bit different from inside, but it's not terrible. It's actually pretty close. Let's go check it from the outside. Yeah, looks good. You can't even tell the difference. So there's our new window. There's our old window. Yeah. There you have it. Hope this helps somebody. We appreciate you watching.